Toymas. We've got lots of days we missed of Toymas. Mom tried to figure out what words I was saying. But greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back to Toymas Days 15, 16, and 17. Per usual, we will be starting with the advent calendar provided by Master Gregory, aka Lego Grego, aka Susan. And I'm pulling out 15 right now. Mama, do you got 15? Who do you have?
Oh, look.
Oh my goodness, it's Bullseye in black and white. How cute.
That's
And
the
look
cutest Bullseye.
who I have.
goodness.
This is the Disney 100 Stitch.
Cute.
I don't remember if we have him or not, but even if we do have him, I'm supposed to skip because the fact that I opened it for Scrooge. So, yes, on to day 16. We're moving quickly because we're doing 3 days. Who do you have? Is that Duke Kaboom?
No, I think
Is that Christopher Robin?
Look at Christopher Robin.
This is one of the only times that they've made Christopher Robin.
I know. Look at
He's
this.
so cute.
He's got a tiny little stamp on his back of copyright Disney.
And I have Ratcliffe.
Ratcliffe. There we go.
Yes. I don't know what series he's from, so people let me know in the comments below. This is obviously series 1. This is series 10, and I don't know who those two are. I think it's 5 or 6. And she has decided that she wants to be known. So we will finish 17, and then I will get her worldly desires. So please hold. Are you ready to show 17? Ham! He's so
Ham.
cute. And look who I've
at
got.
Ham's big eyes. Look
It's
at-
Lilo.
Oh, it is Lilo. Cute.
Yeah, she's cute. All right, so this is what we have from Miss Susan's Advent calendars for today.
Oh, goodness.
We are going to pause and get ready to do the rest of our Doorables Advent calendars that typically give us dupes, but occasionally we get a good one. And then our Munchlings and our Mini-Brands, she is going to get some water. All right, we dealt with the dog. Her water bowl's there and she walked away. But Mom has the Doorables Advent calendar that does not have Stitch on the front because duh. And I have the one that does have Stitch on it because duh. We have pulled out 15, 16, and 17. Please hold while we get. All right, I believe that I have Mike Wazowski. I forget who I said for this one. Oh, Minnie Mouse 30s. And then this one I believe is, who did I say? Oh, Lotso. And then Mom, who do you think you have?
I'm guessing Moana. This one I am. This one I'm guessing Panda May, and this one I am guessing Dante.
Oh, my first one. I was very wrong, but this I think is one we're missing. This is the ultra rare Eeyore.
Really cute.
He's very, very
my
cute.
goodness.
So that one
Love
is a
that.
success.
Yes.
This one,
Oh goodness. Okay, this is Cinderella.
Cinderella in her tutu. She
Yes.
is a rare. So I forget if we have her or not. So I will have to double check. The next one we have, and I was right, I have Minnie Mouse 30s because that's the only one that you can get in this. She is a common. Who do you have for your second one?
This is Nick.
Okay, that's Nick. All right,
have
he
Nick.
is a common. He's from series 9. And the last one, who do you have?
Oh, I was. Oh,
You have Sully.
Sully. Yes, I think we have Sully. But
And
that's
I was
really
right. I
cute.
did have Lotso, and he does smell faintly of strawberries.
Faintly.
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 Yes. All right. Shall we get ready for Munchlings, Mama?
Yes.
All right. Please hold.
Yep.
All right, Mama. Do you want to tell people about your disappointment for 3 days in a row?
3 days in a row.
Well, 2 days.
First, we got another set of tongs, which, okay, they're kind of useless. Here's a stand. However, the stand will work well to hold the Donald Duck
Snow
snow
cone. What's he smell like? Plastic?
No, maybe vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, he smells like buttered popcorn.
Oh, well, there we
I
go.
don't, which doesn't make
So,
any sense.
I will say, though, the least it coordinates with the stand.
Yes. So I got the hot chocolate Remy, which we do already have one.
It's cute.
So he very faintly smells of chocolate. I got this Baymax strawberry milk, who is adorable.
Oh, Mr. Smell.
Smell him. He smells. I can smell something. I don't know what it is. Yet again, it kind of smells like buttered popcorn to me. I can't smell any of these. They have not been getting the fragrance right.
Probably from my hands from eating popcorn.
Yes,
at the
but that was the
movies
first
today.
time that you just touched that. So Mama was disappointed. Mine was fine.
Yours was fine.
Yes. So on to the Mini-Brands. Please hold. What are your guesses, Mom?
I'm gonna go with Campbell soup in a can. let's see, some type of cake and, oh, no. How about Pepperidge Farm, maybe Milano cookies?
Okay, well, I'm going with yakisoba, my Pop Seeker popcorn, and icebreaker mints because I want to be right finally. I'm right finally! I got my icebreaker mints. Oh, I'm excited. Yay! It's a little frosty.
Yes.
And who do we have next? Is it Pop Seeker popcorn? No.
Oh, Blue Diamond
Almonds. Wait, and this one might be a rare one because it's gold.
Ooh.
So that might be a rare. And please be my popcorn. Oh, Mentos fruit.
Mentos. We didn't. Ooh, know about that one. I love Mentos.
Tis fruity Mentos.
Fruity. Here we go.
You know, I will say these are actually pretty cute.
They are very cute.
Yes. All right, let us know in the comments below if any of your guesses today were right. And Mother, do you have anything to say to the fans?
Thank you for joining us for days 15, 16, and 17 of Toymas and Scene.
Jolly good lady.